Walking down the street, feet pounding, feeling the heat. Two fingers up, saying peace. Smoking and avoiding police, trying to stick it to the man. Yeah, I got a plan. Shove it in his face, yell robbery in the place. Open the register now, or the gun goes pow! Plan. I'm going downtown, damn. Jailhouse, my crash pad. Guess the man is big bad.